Wasn't much to the world, but it was everything to them. The summer rain, the sidewalk, a path to the corner lot. That little patch of concrete was all they got. Every day just after school let out, you could hear those young kids scream and shout, baseball, kickball, till the daylight died. Dust on their jeans and dreams in their eyes. Oh, the corner lot remembers every sound, every scraped up knee and every touchdown, going through the neighborhood night, under porch lights burning soft and bright. From the crack of the bat to the old boom box, life felt bigger on that corner lot. At 149 Mockingbird we learned to fly, 4 kids growing up beneath the southern sky. Drumsticks in his hands, marching through the hallways with the junior high band, dreaming of Kiss and a rock and roll stage, air drumming hard in a reckless age. Lynn twirled silver like a fireworks show, majorette boots and a flute she'd blow. But one hot afternoon in a backyard game, she swung that wiffle bat without much shame. Crack! Benji hit the dirt and grabbed his face. Joey laughed so hard he could barely stay in place. Lynn cried, I didn't mean it, through the tears and fright. But they were all back outside by that same night. Oh, the corner lot remembers every sound, every scraped up knee and every touchdown, every laugh echoing through the neighborhood night, under porch lights burning soft and bright. From the crack of the bat to the old boombox, life felt bigger on that corner lot. At 149 Mockingbird we learned to fly, 4 kids growing up beneath the southern sky, beneath the southern sky. Joey walked around like he owned the town, leather jacket dreams and his collar turned down. One day Fonzie, next day Mork from Mork, talking nonsense while he strutted down the court. Nano, nano, yelling from the old swing set, funniest kid that the block ever met. But when Kiss came screaming through the stereo sound, he and Benji turned the volume all the way down and back up loud enough to shake the floor, dreaming about drums from the music store. Christmas morning hit like a lightning strike, big rap boxes standing by the tree lights. Benji tore the paper with his eyes open wide, a real drum set sitting there inside. Joey hollered louder than a Saturday game, banging on cymbals and yelling Gene Simmons' name. Mama covered her ears, Daddy just grinned, knowing peace and quiet had finally met its end. And Tommy, little brother walking right into the storm, hand-me-down shoes and a school bus mourn. Teachers already knew his family name before he even got there. Chaos came, but Tommy learned to run and laugh through it all, from treehouse jumps to bicycle falls, creek bank crawls and those childhood days. 4 kids are still out there playing games. Yeah, the corner lot's still alive somehow, and every old song and every memory now. 149 Mockingbird wasn't much to the world, but it was everything to them.